Okay, so if you guys are going to make a video page, and I got to find, there's the microphone right there. It's pointed at me. Might be up too loud. I probably got to, well, I'll just leave it. So if you guys are going to do that, the very first thing, you're going to go to your modules, right? And in your modules, right, within a module, you're going to create a page to put the videos in. Okay? So I'm in module 6 of my 180 class. Let me just speak while I'm doing things. So I've already got all my modules created for my 180 class. So now if I was going to populate climate and solar radiation, I would create a page for it. So page, so I click the plus button. Let me do that again. I click the plus button here, right? And then I go here to page. Okay, because I don't want to insert an assignment, I want a page. You have to click new page and then you have to name the page. So for the heck of it, I'm going to say, you know, something like 06 watch and learn. Okay, so I add the item and I now have a page inside of this module. Okay, that makes sense? Yeah. All right, so now I click on that page, right, and it takes me to the page that the way the students would look at it. I then click edit. So typically with any page you create, you should type something in here like, you know, for the heck of it, I'm gonna let me pause this for a sec. So type your instructions in here. Please watch the following. Please watch the following videos and take good notes, etc., etc. Okay, so you want to put your instructions in right there. And that, for me, that's usually like 3 or 4 sentences. Okay, and then the next thing that I do is I put in a heading for the name of the video. So, you know, for the heading, I'm going to use a bigger font. I'll say, let's go to 14 point, and I'm going to go to bold. Okay? So you could say something like video 1 if you want. Okay? Press enter. All right, now comes the point where you have to know what video it is that you're going to put here. So what I'm going to do is in a separate page, I'm going to go to YouTube. So let me bring this over here and shrink it up a little. I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to look for ARC 202 week 2. And I'm not finding it. Why? I don't know. All right, just try ARC 202. There it is, ARC 202. Okay? So within ARC 202, I click on videos. I go and find the video that I want to insert. And so let's just hypothetically say it's this one. You go to the video. I'm recording this thing just for... It's going to start playing. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to where it says share. Okay? You click the share button and you copy this link right here. Now I want to point out something to you real quick. Okay? It's also here. See it? Yeah. YouTube period B, and then it has that thing on the end. It's the same number. So I'm going to click copy. That's called an embed code. All right? So I click copy. It's copied to my thing. Now I come back to this. I put my cursor where I want to insert the video, and I click on this button, Insert Media. Okay? Click that, and I paste the embed code right there where it says source. Okay? let me do that again just to make sure you guys got that. So I put my cursor where I want to embed the video. I go to this button right here. It's the second button. It's called Insert, Edit Media. It brings up this dialog box under General for the source. In the General tab for the source, paste that YouTube link and then click OK. And that video will now show up right there. One thing that I'll warn you about, before you start doing this, when you create a page, put a bunch of spaces in so that you don't get stuck with the cursor locked somewhere inside of that video. Okay? So all right, so I've done that. So now I'm going to do another one. So again, I'm going to use 14-point font, bold, and I'll say video 2. Press enter. I want to put it here. Make sure I got plenty of spaces underneath, right? Once again, click insert media. It takes you to this. Now I need to find another video, so I'm going to go back. Let's pick this one here, or pick this one here. So let's continue on. Click share. Copy that code. Move this out of the way. Paste that code there. I screwed up. I'll do it again. Sorry. Paste right there. Control V. Click OK. Now I have 2 videos, right? So once I save this, it now looks like this. The page looks like this. So if you want to see what a student would see, we can go to Settings, go to Student View, and we'll go back to that page. And of course it's not published, so leave Student View. At any rate, it's going to look approximately like this. I don't want to publish it because this is an active course. Okay? I'm going to pause this so you guys can ask me questions that I should include here in case I missed something.